How to create an invoice on PayPal. Hi there, today we'll teach you how to create your own invoice on the PayPal platform. First, you need to log into your account and then go to Send and Request tab on the upper part of the website. When you go to Send and Request, you need to go under Request, and then there you will be able to see Create an Invoice. Once you click on it, you'll be routed to a page where you can place all the informations needed. For example, you can add the logo of your business, the currency, the quantity, and make sure that the email address as well will be placed where you will be sending the invoice to. Then you input the items or the item that was being purchased, the quantity, the price as well, and make sure that everything is filled out, since all of these information needs to be filled for us to proceed. You can also add a description on what the item was for, and then here there's another row for another item, but if you only have one item for the person, you just need to go ahead and click on the X button. Here you can also have payment options where you may allow partial payments for the amount or for the item that was purchased. And that's it. Once everything has been filled out, you can go ahead and click on send. And if you encounter an error for the email address, you can go ahead and verify and look into the email of what's the issue, and that's it. Once the email is correct, when you click on send, you have now created the invoice for the account, and that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching.